Strange noises driving you mad? Well, I'll let you in a little secret. Seductive, tempting, and irresistibly smooth. Only a lubricant this pure could last this long and do so much. Introducing heavy-duty silicone spray lubricant. Lubricante multiuso. Simply apply to the affected areas and then bask in the bliss of golden silence.
I love my heavy-duty silicone.
Get yours today. Not available in all stores. Individual results may vary. Instructions are included. If rash, irritation, redness, or swelling develops, discontinue reading. If you cannot read these instructions, please notify a flight attendant. Keep away from sunlight, pets, and small children. In the event of fire, remain calm. Cannot be made non-poisonous. Do not attempt to put in pants. Subscribe to this channel. Keep hands and feet inside the car at all times. Always drive on roads, not on people. For a good time, call 1-800-555-0558. Excessive use may lead to paper cuts. Do not use while sleeping. Do not use for drying pets. Do not prepare in a toaster oven. Do not pour coffee toward people. Do not drive with balls stuck on head.
Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. Hope you liked it. And my silicone lubricant spray really worked good around the window there, softening up that rubber. I think it got like kind of hard and there was a lot of friction there during the cold winter months. So yeah, this stuff works really good. Can gets really slippery, gets dented when it falls on the ground constantly because you can't hold on to it. Just a word of warning there. Otherwise, yeah, check it out. There's a link in the description below if you can't find it at your local store. And that's about it. If you guys don't mind, hit that subscribe button and we will see you on the next video.